Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Arvind Raula. Today we want to talk about what are the operators in Python and how many types of operators we have in Python, and I'll talk about each and every operator in detail. So let's get started. So firstly, what is an operator? So an operator is a symbol. An operator is a symbol which performs some operation between or among the operands. This is the definition of an operator. So basically, an operator is a symbol which performs some operation between or among the operands. So, what operation it performs? It may perform like it may add two numbers. We can subtract one number from another number. We can multiply two numbers, or we can check whether a number is less than or greater than another number, or we can check if a condition is true or false. So, it is basically used to perform any mathematical or logical or additional operations. So that's it. So the basic definition of operator is it is a symbol which performs some operation between or among the operands. So let's dive into more details with an example. So let's say we have an example of, let's say I want to add 2 plus 3. Yeah, 2 plus 3. So the addition of 2 and 3 is 5. So here 2 and 3 are operands. 2 and 3 are operands, and plus is the operator here. So what is an operand? So operand is a value on which we perform operations. So here we are performing the addition operation at 2 and 3. So we are performing addition operation at 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 are called operands, and by what how we performing this operation? We performing this operation by using the addition operator, which is a part of arithmetic operator. So plus is the operator here. So we got the result 5. So this is the basic idea of what is an operator in Python. So let's talk about types of operators in Python. So we have arithmetic operators firstly, and then we have relational operators, and then we have logical, and then we have bitwise. Yeah, here we have bitwise, and we have assignment, and also we have extra identity and membership operators. Membership. So these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. These are the 7 types of operators in Python. So firstly, I want to talk about what are the arithmetic operators and what do they do. So here. So first of all, arithmetic operators. So arithmetic means they basically perform mathematical operations. So what are the mathematical operations we have? We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo division. Yeah, we have addition and then subtraction and then multiplication, and then we have division, and then we have floor division, and then we have modulo division, and also we have exponential. Yeah, these are the operations in arithmetic operators. So what do they do? Arithmetic operators basically perform mathematical operations. What are the mathematical operations we have? We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo division, floor division, and then we have exponential. So let's deep dive into these arithmetic operators with the help of a program. I will show my, yeah. So let's start. So let's say we have two numbers. They are number one, and I want to give number one as 2, and then I give number 2 as 10. Yeah. So firstly, I want to add two numbers. So what we do to add two numbers? Let's write some string here. Yeah. Yeah. To add two numbers, we simply put plus operator between the two operands. Here we have number 1 and number 2. These are two operands we have here. So we are adding two numbers, num1 plus num2. So what is the result? We know that's, yeah, you can see in the console we have addition is equal to 12. Yeah, what is the addition of 2 plus 10? It is 12 only. So next, let's copy this one and paste it here. Yeah. So the next one is subtraction. So simply put in the place of plus we put minus. Yeah. What is the result of 2 minus 10? Minus 8 only. So we can do each and every mathematical operations here. Yeah. Now is multiplication. What is the result of this? Yeah, if we simply replace the plus operator with multiplication operator here. If I run the program, you can see 2 tens 20. We got the result 20, and you can divide. So simply put, instead of plus, put division symbol. 2 by 10, we know we got 0.2. So let's reverse this. I want to divide number 2 by number 1, as number 2 is a big number. So let's see the result. Yeah, we got 5.0. We have three types of divisions in Python in arithmetic operators. Here I discussed the normal division, and also we have modular division and floor division. So let me print here. So let's talk about floor division. So in the normal division, you can see when I divide number 2 by number 1, we got the result to 5.0, as when we divide 10 by 2, we got 5.0. So, but I want only integer value. I want only 5. I do not want 5.0. So in that case, you can use floor division. So floor division, we simply put two division operators instead of one division operator. So when I run this program, you can see we have 5. In the previous division, we see we have 5.0, which is the normal division. In the floor division, we have 5. So this is the basic difference between the division and floor division. What it do? It simply removes the decimal point from the result. That's the what floor division do. And also we have modular division. So what is this modular division returns? So here we replace the division symbol with another type of percentage symbol. So if I run the program, you can see I got 0. So these are the three different types. And previously I told the difference between division and floor division. So if you can see, now the difference between the division and modular division is when I divide 10 by 12, I got 5.0. When I divide 10 by 2, I got 5.0, which returns the quotient. So normal division returns the quotient. But when I divide the 10 by 2, here I got 0 because it returns the remainder. So what does it returns? It returns the remainder. So what is the remainder of 10 divided by 2? So when we divide 10 by 2, we got what we got? We got 0. So this is about the modular division, and the last one is exponential. So we know what the exponential is, to the power of. So exponent. So I want to, yeah, let's do here, just add to multiply symbols here. So I want to find the 10 to the power of 2. So I run the program. Yeah, 10 to the power of 2 is 100. 10 into 10, 100. That, yeah, okay. That's the one. Yeah, this is all about the arithmetic operators in Python. And if you like my videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.